All the magic of Africa distilled into one incredible country, Uganda. There are savannas filled with hundreds of thousands of animals. To the west lies a mighty mountain range, full of fascinating vegetation. While to the east is Mount Elgon and its astonishing elephant caves. Untouched rainforests are home to hundreds of mountain gorillas and chimpanzees. Uganda boasts the largest body of fresh water in all Africa, Lake Victoria. It gives birth to the White Nile and its thunderous waterfalls. All this in one wonderful country, wild Uganda. Uganda's most famous national treasure, the Bwindi Impenetrable Forest National Park, is located in the southwest of the country. Despite its small size, just 330 square kilometers, the national park is home to some impressive inhabitants. Mountain gorillas. This adult male, or silverback, is called Murchison. Bwindi is home to around 400 mountain gorillas, half the world's population. The other half lives in the nearby Virunga Mountains of Rwanda and the Congo. Murchison is the head of a group of 12 gorillas, 6 adult females, 3 young females, and 2 babies. Twiki gave birth 2 months ago, and at the moment the group's attention is focused on her new baby, Kibale. Gorillas and humans have 98% of their genes in common, and clearly a mother's love for her baby is part of our joint inheritance. Kibale will depend on her mother until she is 6 years old. Luckily for Twiki, aunts, sisters and more distant relatives will all help her to raise her child. Twiki and her baby are members of the Kidepo group. It originally consisted of 20 animals, but the group split and 9 animals left the territory. The rest stayed, with Murchison as their leader. The family history is well documented, as the gorillas have been studied by scientists from Leipzig's Max Planck Institute since 1998. This fairy tale valley is a popular place to eat, and the Bitakura group are tucking into their breakfast. They're also part of the research project. The Bitakura group is led by a huge silverback called Murchison. Silverbacks can consume an astonishing 25 kilos of vegetation a day, while female gorillas eat 15 kilos. With such demands, it's hardly surprising that the group spends up to 6 hours a day eating. Life is peaceful, and conflicts with neighboring groups are rare, as the gorillas roam over huge territories which only occasionally overlap. Mugisha is a gentle giant and often spends hours playing with the youngsters in his group. Such behavior is very unusual for silverbacks.